Guess what day it is?
What? What's today?
Engine swap day.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
You gonna let me
follow
blow
me?
the clutch?
Follow me, huh?
You gonna let me blow the clutch?
No, we're swapping the engine. We're not driving it.
Oh.
You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Alright.
Alright guys, let's go do it. I'm a little tired because we did the tie rods and everything last night. Putting the motor and training together, and I got a buddy over helping, so let's get it.
Pain ran deep, yeah, cut like a knife. Questioning God like why this life? Used, abused, yeah, torn to pieces. Smiling outside, but inside bleeding. People take till your soul depleted, then leave you empty, barely breathing. Faith getting thin, doubt getting louder. Storm in my head, yeah, drowning under. Every prayer felt lost in the air, like nobody's listening, nobody there.
I was reaching.
All right, back for take 2. We had to adjust some chains here.
He said, call to me, and I will answer you. Through the fire, I was reaching you. Even when my faith was breaking down, you were there when I couldn't be found.
Now I see
Through the storm, I came alive. You were healing me the whole time. From the ashes, you pulled me through. Now all I do is worship you.
yeah, double-minded, torn in two. Trying to hold faith, but I doubted you. James said, don't waver in the storm. But I was sinking, couldn't stay strong. Lean not on what you understand. Hard when life slips through your hands. Heart so guarded, locked in pain. Every blessing felt like rain again. Weak, but the spirit is dark all around. Spark still light and voice deep down says, don't leave. I'd never know. I was lost in the dark.
Not good. Not good. How the fuck that happened?
I was breaking apart.
Uh-oh. Now we in trouble.
No, no. Pull this up. We'll drop it on the way. No, go with. It's probably better. Yeah, we'll cut that. It's better.
It's better? What? Oh yeah.
He's 11 and
Yeah, it's loving
The mouth
now.
good?
Yeah.
Happy accident.
Wow, that's a funny shit. He's like, no, it's better. Leave it alone, Tony.
Stop trying to hypotenuse it.
Lines you made straight what was twisted inside. From the ashes, yeah, rising truth. Now my life is a living proof.
look good.
Okay?
Yeah. That's how you're going to put it.
Yeah, that's cash.
Whatever.
And I believe
Yeah.
you were always there for me.
Chasing empty promises, running farther every day, building dreams on sinking sand, watching hope just fade away. Every mirror told a story became another grave. Then your mercy broke the silence like the sunrise through the rain. You didn't see your lost cause. You called me by my name when I thought the battle had already been lost. You stepped into my darkness and carried my cross. You pulled me from the ashes. You called me from the grave. You broke the chains around me that I never could escape.
Oh, we're gonna take it.
Oh, come on. We're doing something. Come on.
So close yet so far away.
It's almost there. It's hitting right there.
Now I'm made new. The weight I used to carry doesn't own this heart anymore. Every scar that once defined me has become proof of the Lord. You took my deepest failures, turned them
Oh, yeah.
into songs of
Take it away.
You got this one.
All right,
You got
here.
them baby hands.
I'm just a baby.
because you're already there. Every step is filled with purpose. Every breath becomes a prayer. Death couldn't hold the life you gave. Hope keeps calling me.
All right, YouTube. So it started to rain, so we had to push her in. But look at that.
I mean, she got some scratches from putting her in. Thank you, David, for helping me out. Appreciate you. It's in. It's in. A couple more things to tinker. Start putting the harness in. And ready to turn on. Now, David said that once I start driving this, I'm not driving the EP3. I mean,
He may not be wrong,
no, but
but the EP3 will be for me.
yeah, there you go. That's what he said. He said, give her the EP3. Give it to her. Let her drive it.
And you wanted to sell it.
No, I mean, I was considering because we were going to get an Audi.
Well, we're
So-
still gonna get the Audi eventually.
Well, yeah.
One day.
So I figured that we could sell that and then we'll sell the BMW and just get
So
the
we'll
Audi.
sell the piece of crap BMW. We'll keep the EP3. Get my pickup truck going. I'll drive the Honda, the EP3 in the summer, and the pickup truck in the winter.
Yep, until we get the other part.
Correct. Are you excited?
Very. Very. Still got a lot of work ahead of me, but I did do those K-tuned inner and outer tie rods, and I already did the alignment by hand. So, and I use Loctite.
And this was
Use
the
Loctite.
culprit right here. This stinking motor mount is what took like 2.5, 3 hours to get right.
How's it look in the engine bay? Comment down below, guys. Tell me what
Looks
you
good.
think.
I think it looks good.
What do you
But-
think?
It's missing a few of its guts still.
Oh yeah, I got the radiator.
But the heart's in. That's all that matters.
Yep.
All right, YouTube. Comment down below. Let us know.